Yo, what's up guys? So today gonna unboxing a mystery box from Shopee. Before I start the unboxing, don't forget to follow and share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow all my social media, link description below. Okay, let's start. Today gonna unboxing a Bakugan inside here, so let's open it. Okay, so let's see. Let's take out the bubble wrap and see what we get inside here. Okay, so here and take a cut. Okay, so let's see what's the transformation. First one is a Bakugan trap. The second, okay, so this, okay, so it look like a robot. So next, look like a dragonite. Okay, aqua. Okay, so it's here. Like this. Okay, like this. Okay, next is a robot. The last one. Okay, so let's look. 500G, and this one 500G also same, and this one will be 600G. This one will be how much? 380G, 550G. Okay, and this one is 500G also. Oh, this one will not have. Oh, here is also cut. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one 590G. Okay, so the video until here now. So bye.